Now we'll create the partner profile. Transaction code for the creation of partner profile is WE20. Partner profile we have to create, import the sender and the receiver system. For a sender system, receiver is the partner, and for a receiver, the sender is the partner. And for creating a partner profile, we need to maintain in a sender system the receiver logical system, the outbound parameter, that is a message type, and the port number. And in the receiver side, we need to maintain sender logical system, inbound parameters, that is a message type, and the inbound process code. Transaction code is W20. Now let's log into our system. First we'll maintain in the sender system, then we'll go for the receiver. So here my client 700 is the sender system. Go to T code WE20. You can see there are multiple options for the partner profile, like customers, vendors, and logical system. So as we have already created logical system, and we are going to configure through a logical system for this ALE. Select, click on create. Give the logical system name as D500 RECV, which we have created. In the partner type, select LS, that is a logical system. In the permitted agent, select user, because we are maintaining the connection details by user ID. Enter the user ID portal. Now, as I mentioned, for a sender system, the partner profile is the receiver logical system number and the outbound parameter. Let me save first. Once we save, we can see this button is enabled in the outbound parameters. Click on insert. Here we need to maintain the message type, that is matmas. Maintain the receiver port which we have created, that is ending with 4. And here we have to maintain the basic type which I explained in the first step, that is matmas05. Select transfer IDoc immediately. Packet size by default set to 1. Click on save button. Data was saved. This we have done in the sender system, that is client 700. Go back, save the record. You can see the message type matmas in the outbound parameter. Go back. Now go to the receiver system. In my case, it is client 500. Log into WE20, same T code. Partner type, that is LS. Click on create, and this time it is D700 send, that is a sender system. Partner type is LS. Type is US, that is user. I am maintaining the user ID which I am going to use. Click on enter. This is in display mode because we have not saved the partner profile yet. Click on save. Once we save, we can see here this button is enabled. Correct the inbound parameters. Click on inbound parameters. Here we have to maintain the message type, that is matmas. And in the process code, we have to assign the process code. The process code is an identifier which identifies which function module to be triggered when the IDoc is coming. To check if we don't know the process code, by default try to use the first 4 character, that is MATM, or we can, by pressing the F4, we can search from the list. Like if you search for the material, you can see here matmas material master data. Now what this process code indicate, what this identify? To check that, open a new session and go to T code WE42. In W42, if you open that process code, select this, click on detail. So here we can see the identification, and this is a function model. This means that whenever any IDoc is coming from the sender system, In research system, this function model is responsible to collect the IDoc data and process further. So this process code we need to maintain in the inbound parameters of the partner profile, and which further make a link to the function model. Press enter, click on save, go back, again click on save button. So here first we are done in the central system by maintaining the open parameters. After that we have maintained the data in this resource system, that is client 500, and we have maintained the inbound parameters. So in this way we done with this session on creation of the partner profile.